So here is a really nice Pacifica 2018 Touring L Plus. Now Touring L Plus has got a lot of creature comforts and great features. But I wanted you to take a look at the outside of this van. It does have a luggage rack on it, obviously with the nice wheels. It does have your backup camera. Also has your rear bumper sensors. And we'll take a look at the inside of this vehicle, because that's where all the amenities are, and it is really nice. So let's take a look inside. So one thing to notice is this does have the easy entrance, and of course your remote control doors. We've got the switch off. We'll take a look in here. As you can see, it comes loaded with a DVD player. It does have the dual screens on your rear headrests behind the driver and passenger seat, along with your headphone jack, HDMI, and USB ports. So we'll take... Going into the driver's side, you can see where it has the power folding mirrors, power mirrors, driver and passenger, power windows, power door locks. It does have your seat memories, which are controlled by the key fobs, so it will not only adjust your mirrors, seats, but also your radio stations. It does have your automatic headlights, your information system, which is this part of the vehicle right here. You can see vehicle information. Even a little bit of sun glare here, but and of course it does have your cruise control. This particular vehicle does again have a DVD CD player. It also has navigation. Our controls section is right in here with the heated and ventilated seats on both the driver and passenger side. And then getting into the customization. So in the customization, I not only have my safety and driving assistance, but my wipers. As an example, I can make it so that my mirrors tilt in reverse. My headlights are automatically going to come on with my wipers. Brakes, lights, door locks, auto comfort, Bluetooth, of course, and considerably more. As I said, the vehicle does have navigation. So in navigation, as I can view my maps, or I can go back and put in addresses. I can also search points of interest. Does come complete with traction control, auto start and stop, and then my rear parking assist. So as you can tell, this vehicle is very nicely equipped. Now, one other thing you'll notice, this does have your sound deadening microphones as well as microphones for your Bluetooth and the panoramic sunroof. And that panoramic sunroof along with my power sliding doors, power tailgate, this vehicle is very nicely equipped. It does come complete with my photo grain mirror, which also has an SOS for emergencies, and then your assist. So come on in and take a look. You'll probably head home in this van. 2018 Pacifica Touring L Plus.